Assalamu alaikum, grade 10. Faiza Nadeem here with your English lesson. And as usual, she is wishing and praying and hoping that all of you are healthy and fine, are going to your school regularly, attending your lessons regularly, and are concerned about your academics and above all your salah. Be obedient to your parents. ये उनका आप पर हक है कि आप उनके फरमाबरदार हों, है ना? So what we are going to do today? We are going to do the question answers or the reading comprehension of Unit 6, Television versus Newspaper. Let's start our lesson without much ado. Yes, my dear children, what did I say? I said that we are going to do the reading comprehension of the unit Television versus Newspaper, which is the 6th unit of your book. Reading comprehension का जो A part है वो है MCQs. MCQs क्या होते हैं? MCQs होते हैं multiple choice questions, जिसके अंदर आपको multiple choice दी गई होती है answers के लिए. आपने करेक्ट आंसर को सर्कल करना होता है और ये बेस है आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर की. आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर जो है वो सीधा सीधा मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर बेस्ड करता है. तो MCQs आर ऑन द बोर्ड. लेट मी रीड आउट द फर्स्ट वन एंड वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द आंसर्स टुगेदर. In paragraph 1, the topic sentence is supported through facts, examples or definitions. We all know that in paragraph 1, the facts are given to support the topic sentence. So the answer is facts. In paragraph 1, the writer has given a lot of facts to support the topic sentence, right? Your question number 2. Paragraph 3 shows that watching news on television is not as convenient, is trouble-free, or is more convenient than reading the newspaper. Howsoever, in paragraph 2, the writer, the author says that you have to be at a specific place at a specific time in order to watch the news. You cannot watch news anytime, anywhere, anyhow you want to, just the way you can read the newspaper. So, paragraph 2 says that watching news on TV is not as convenient as reading the newspaper. The key idea of paragraph 4 is this had 3 options. The third option is ahead. So what I will do is I will go to the next board and then I am going to do this specific MCQ. Move with me towards the next board and then we are going to collectively solve MCQ number 3. Alright, let's read the MCQ again. The key idea of paragraph 4 is reading newspaper is more convenient than watching TV. Watching TV and reading newspaper are equally convenient, or TV viewing is more convenient than newspaper reading. So, the key idea of paragraph 4 was this one. TV viewing is more convenient than reading newspaper. Next question is paragraph 5. And what does paragraph 5 speak about? Paragraph 5 gives argument in favor of TV. Paragraph 5 gives argument in favor of newspaper, or paragraph 5 shows both mediums are equally advantageous. So paragraph 5 gives argument in favor of newspaper. Your next MCQ is TV news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like a 10-course dinner. This sentence has figurative speech. Which one? Simile, metaphor, या personification? Personification is giving non-human things the human activities, the human characteristics, right? Metaphor is comparing two things without using like or as, whereas simile is comparing two things with the usage of like or as. तो इसमें like मौजूद है, simple ये हमारा simile है. Your next MCQ is paragraph 6 concludes that we should use both mediums of information. TV news should be given preference or reading newspaper is more important. Paragraph 6 is the last paragraph of the unit, and definitely in the last paragraph the author cannot be biased. The author, the writer cannot take the side of one medium. Thus, paragraph 6 speaks about that we should both the mediums of information. These were all your MCQs from Reading Comprehension Part A. Reading Comprehension Part 2 is a graphic organization that I will do in the creative writing lecture. आज मैं आपके साथ क्या करूँगी? आज मैं आपके साथ रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन का पार्ट 3 करूँगी, पार्ट C करूँगी, जो है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. Question answers are a very important element of your subjective paper. You are given a choice of attempting any 5 out of 8 questions, and each answer is carrying 2 marks each. So if you will answer all the questions correctly, you will get a maximum of 10. But beta, keep this in your mind that if you are not giving a little bit detailed answer and the other person is doing so, the examiner is going to deduct your marks, right? Because if the examiner, the paper checker sees somebody writing a more comprehensive answer than you do, then the examiner is going to give that person 2 on 2 and you 1.5 or 1 on 2. So do not mark yourself in that manner, in that area, in that way. I have given helping phrases on the board. You have to phrase your answers out your own self. You are in grade 10, and in grade 10, I expect every one of you to phrase your answers out by your own self, right? मैंने helping phrases लिख दिए हैं, आप बुक से आंसर ढूंढे भी, और जो मैं verbally, मुँह ज़बानी आपको कह रही हूँ, उनको कॉपी में लिखे भी, ठीक है? How is a newspaper more convenient mode of news? आपका आंसर हमेशा क्वेश्चन से शुरू होगा. Newspaper is a more convenient mode of news than the television because it does not require us to sit at a proper place at a proper time. We can read the newspaper anytime or at any place, and we can omit reading a certain aspects of the news which we do not choose, or you can phrase it in such a manner that we can omit certain aspects of the current news which is based on our own choice. यानी कि टीवी पे तो जो न्यूज़ आ रही है that is not in your control. आप उठ के चले जाएं, टीवी बंद कर दें या कुछ भी कर दें if you are not interested. लेकिन न्यूज़पेपर में अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हैं उस स्पेसिफिक न्यूज़ के, तो आप उसको छोड़ दें, दूसरी पढ़ लें, आपका टाइम सेव हो जाएगा, right? So this was question number 1. Let's move on to question number 2. How does a viewer get restricted while watching TV news? A viewer gets restricted while watching TV news because the TV news are broadcast at a given specific time and you have to sit at a specific place on a specific time in order to watch the TV news. Explain लिखा हुआ है मैंने. Explain का मतलब यही था कि आपने ये बताना है कि the news on TV is basically broadcast on a specific time at a specific day. So if you want to watch the news on TV, then you have to be present then and there at the given specific time. Question number 3. In what way viewing news on TV is easier than reading a newspaper? आपका आंसर शुरू होगा क्वेश्चन से. Viewing news on TV is easier than reading a newspaper because TV broadcasts the news immediately. The paper is going to print out the news the very next day, but whatever has happened globally, we can know about that within seconds ASAP we turn on our TV, right? And along with that, the TV provides all the visual and the auditory aspects of the given news. Along with that, the broadcast language of the TV is very easy to comprehend because the TV is meant to touch the lives of all and sundry. So the language on the TV is quite easy and can be comprehended very comfortably. On the other hand, or on the contrary, the language of the newspaper is at times very difficult. So you need to have a proficiency in the given language in order to understand the news printed on the newspaper. Along with that, the newspaper does not have any auditory or visual images to support the news. I've given you the answer of question number 3. Let's move on to the question number 4. How do newspaper give us more in-depth coverage? ठीक है, आंसर आपका क्वेश्चन से ही शुरू होगा. आप लिखेंगे the newspaper gives us a lot of in-depth coverage in multiple ways, like through editorials, through columns, through expert opinions of the critics, of the writers, of the journalists, and through the feedback of the reader in the forum page. So these are the multiple ways through which the newspapers give us more in-depth analysis or coverage. Why do some people read more than one newspaper? Some people read more than one newspaper because they want to read about the different viewpoints of the current prevailing story. हर न्यूज़पेपर का एक स्पेसिफिक जर्नलिस्ट होता है और उसका अपना व्यू पॉइंट और अपना आइडिया होता है, अपना कमेंट होता है रिगार्डिंग वन स्पेसिफिक न्यूज़. तो न्यूज़पेपर बहुत सारे लोग डिफरेंट इसलिए पढ़ते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट टू learn about the different viewpoints of different journalists on the current story. And along with that, they want to check the validity of the specific news. Because if one person has just given a false news in his newspaper in order to increase its sale, the other newspaper is going to contradict, is going to correct, right? So this is why people read multiple newspapers at one time. How can readers give feedback to the newspaper article? Readers can give their feedback on the newspaper articles by writing to the forum page. आपका एक forum page होता है, ठीक है, जो स्पेसिफिकली न्यूज़ रीडर्स के लिए होता है और उस पर आप अपने एडिटर को जो भी लेटर लिखते हो, अगर तो वो सिर्फ तारीफ़ होती है ना कि योर न्यूज़पेपर इज़ वेरी गुड, तो वो मोस्टली नहीं प्रिंट करते. लेकिन अगर उसमें कोई क्रिटिसिज्म होता है, कोई बहुत ही सीरियस माशरे से, हमारी सोसाइटी से रिलेटेड बात होती है, तो वो ज़रूर प्रिंट होता है. योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 हैज़ एन ओपन एंडेड आंसर. Open का मतलब है you can write whatever comes into your mind, right? You can write whatever is your consent. And the question is, which medium do you prefer for news and why? It's an open-ended question जिसमें आप जो मर्जी लिखें. आप ये लिख सकते हैं कि I prefer watching TV because I have ample time to sit in front of the tube and watch it, and then I got to see all the images, and I got to hear all the information about the specific news as well. But if you will follow the writer of this comprehension, you will say that I prefer reading newspaper because I can carry newspaper anywhere I want to and read anytime I want to. Along with that, I can skip the news that I am not interested in, and thus I can read the ones that I am interested in or that I want to read about. It's up to you. Open-ended question, right? I've given you both the options. These were the 7 questions from reading comprehension of your book. As usual, Faiza Nadeem has brought you additional questions. ज़्यादा काम डाल देती है मिस, लेकिन ये एडिशनल क्वेश्चन आपने अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वाले सेगमेंट पे ज़रूर लिखने हैं, ज़रूर प्रिपेयर करने हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द एडिशनल बॉक्स और एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस. आपका पहला क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि व्हाट इज़ वन गुड थिंग अबाउट न्यूज़पेपर. क्या हो सकती है न्यूज़पेपर की एक अच्छी चीज़? न्यूज़पेपर की एक अच्छी चीज़ ये हो सकती है कि इट इज़ कन्वीनियंट टू कैरी. इट कैन बी फोल्डेड इनटू so small a size that we can pocket it. We can read all the news that we want to. We can skip all the news that we don't want to read. Alright, so you can write multiple things as far as the newspaper liking is concerned, right? And we can add up our comprehension or vocabulary of the said language by reading the newspaper, because usually newspapers are filled with superb vocabulary bank. How does TV makes us lazy? हाँ जी, अब तो mobiles और tabs are making us lazy. How? They are making us lazy because we just sit at one place and keep on watching the TV for a long period of time. Along with that, during that time period, we are doing nothing but lying in front of the TV on a couch and doing no physical activity at all. And plus with that, TV does not broaden our vision. TV just आपको विजुअल इमेजेस दे रहा है और आपको ऑडिटरी इमेजेस दे रहा है हैपनिंग की, ठीक है. उसका इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस नहीं दे रहा. Unless and until you watch the analysis programs, I'm not against TV, but then newspapers do so. Question number 10 is, have you ever given your views on any article? Have you done so? I don't think so at this age. But yes, you can improvise, you can imagine that yes, I have given my opinion regarding the load shedding problems in the summers, ठीक है, electric load shedding in the summers and gas load shedding in the winters. So you can write about that. Question number 11, the last question of the day is, which simile has the author used and why? The author has used the simile of food. In this specific comprehension, the author has compared newspapers and TV to food. Number 1, because of accessibility. Food is available everywhere. पूरी आपकी food streets होती हैं. Number 2, the necessity. खाए के बगैर जिंदा नहीं रह सकते ना. इसी तरह न्यूज़ के बगैर भी जिंदा नहीं रह सकते. तो ये 2 reasons हैं जिसकी वजह से the author has given or similarized the news with the food. आप इसको इस तरह से phrase करेंगे that the author has used the simile of food because of its accessibility and availability along with the necessity in life. Let's quickly recapitulate today's lesson. What did we do? We did the question answers of television versus newspaper. We did the MCQs. In fact, we did the vocabulary exercise A and C and the additional questions. I hope you are going to copy them down, all of them, in your vocabulary and question answers copy. फाइज़ा नदीम को इजाज़त दो. इंशाल्लाह जब तक हम दोबारा मिलते हैं, मैं आपको अपनी दुआओं में शामिल रखूँगी. आप सब मुझे अपनी दुआओं में शामिल रखिएगा. और अबव ऑल अपनी नमाज़ों का एहतमाम रखिएगा. अपने अम्मी अबू के फर्माबरदार रहिएगा और पढ़ते रहिएगा. पढ़ना इज़ वेरी इसेंशियल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. Allah Hafiz.